Are we ready?
Yes.
Okay. Ready, go. There she goes. Good job, Bella. Now go backwards on the brakes, on the pedals for the brake. You did? Yay! Okay, do it again.
Again?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Let's do it like what?
All right, turn it around.
I can't lie like this. That'll be like too scary for me. Push off.
Why don't you try it? Just push hard. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Ta-da, ta-da. Now pull backwards on the brakes just to slow down.